Hi, everybody. It's Eric Johnson, your designated broker. And I want to really quickly show you how to use your Bold Trail listing machine to create social media advertising. So you should see my Bold Trail screen. If you've never logged into Bold Trail, you're going to need to do that for the first time ever. Contact your manager. We'll give you the information you need to log in for the first time. You're going to want to start building your profile. You're going to want to click on Open Get Started Guide is a great place to start. But once you've gotten started and once you've got a listing, you want to be able to market that on various social media outlets. It might be that you're advertising in the Skyline Brokers group for an open house. It could be that you're putting it out there on your own Instagram or Facebook or whatever other social media you use. There's a number of different things you can use that are prepared for you by Bold Trail. It's very cool. So here you can see we're in your dashboard. Go to Listings, then go to My Listings. I'm going to choose the first one on my list. Then I'm going to click on Listing Promotion. You're going to see here that there are a number of things you can do. I encourage you to play around with them, see what things you like. It's got the capability where you can automatically share to your social media. But for doing a quickie, I recommend using the listing video. It's nice. It basically takes the pictures from your video and from the MLS. Everything is from the MLS, and it incorporates it, creates kind of a stream of your images. So if I click on that, then I click on Copy Link. Then I open up my social media. In this case, I'm in the Skyline Brokers group. Say I was in here advertising that I need somebody to do an open house for me. I do my write-up in here of whatever it is I want to write up. And then basically I'm just going to paste in that the video that I just grabbed. And it's gonna put it in place here. At that point, I hit post, and that's it. I'm done. I now have my post is complete. Okay, so we want to keep it really simple. That's a really fast way to do it. Reach out to us managers if you have any questions about any of it.